I'm coming with you.
No, I'm sorry.
Well, you're not leaving without me.
What do you want?
You.
I'm afraid it's not that easy for me. You see, you died. I watched that happen, and yet you're still alive. I have to go.
Then say goodbye.
We don't say goodbyes.
We do this time. You see, you leave, and then you come back, and I can't handle the in-between. Aaron, say goodbye.
Goodbye, Crichton.
John, my name is John. Goodbye, John, to my face.
Guarantee you won't die in my arms again.
Guarantee me you won't die in mine.
I can, by
Why?
leaving.
John!
Do you love John
Christ.
Crichton? Not him. Not me. John Crichton.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, Aaron.
Then what does that taste like?
Yesterday.
Huh.
Oh.
Well, nobody can compete with that. I am so much better, Dad.
I can't do this again.
Shit, I can't let the one thing I love fly away in a crappy little ship.
You once said it was as if the fates meant for us to be together.
And I believe that.
Well, then if it's true, we will be together again.
Running away is not fate, Aaron. Running away is running away. Fine, you want fate? Here, I've got fate. Fate, here.
What?
Coin toss.
John!
What, like that side up? You stay.
Absolutely. Fate.
Just make a thrilling wormhole and go home.
There is no home. There is no wormhole. There's only you.
Oh, he's still got writing all over his hands.
Anywhere in the universe. You've picked a planet.
It's too late for that.
It's not too late.
No, you're not listening to me. It's too late for me.
You do this, and we'll never see each other again.
She's gonna go, isn't she?
Do you love Aaron's son?
Yeah.
Beyond hope.
Then don't make me say goodbye, and don't make me stay.
Bloody hell. Oh, Jesus! Oh God, I think she thought he wouldn't. Oh, shit in hell. This show is gonna break me eventually. Let him go with you. Oh, man alive.
We're in the hands of fate now. We have to trust in that.
Oh.
Fly safe.
Oh, God. She breaks my heart.
Goodbye, John Crichton.
Crichton? Still alive? Out of fuel?
Why is he hanging around?
Fuel. Almost out of fuel. Pilot, I'm heading back.
The human subconscious is a fascinating place. Malleable, permeable, fallible.
Harvey, you gotta get your nose out of the dictionary.
Guess what I found there, John?
Go away, I don't feel like talking right now.
I will honor your wishes, John. However, having chosen our partnership above all else, your well-being is now irrevocably mine.
Aaron is with child.
Aaron, why couldn't you tell me? Why couldn't you trust me? Old woman! Pilot, patch me through to Aaron.
She is beyond our range,
We gotta
Commander.
fix on her position. We're going after her.
Hold on a micro.
Aaron, just do it!
First, we'll go to my...
Obey his command, pilot.
What the hell is this woman about?
Please.
I shall approximate Officer Sun's vector and initiate chase upon your retrieval. Commander, step clear, we're being drawn.
Oh my god!
You have got to be kidding me.
Where's he gonna go? Oh my god. When I watch TV shows, it's not often that there's people that draw me in so much when I watch things. And I remember watching X-Files when I was growing up, and the relationship between Mulder and Scully for me was always probably the best on-screen relationship that I'd ever seen, because they just gelled so well and it was so believable. And then I started watching this, and Jesus wept. These two, Aaron and John, are absolutely amazing, and every single second that I watch them, I just think the casting department got this so accurate and so right in the way that they cast this for everyone, but for those two especially. Just, she breaks my heart so much. Like, I have never seen someone so talented as Erin, the lady who plays Erin, is. She is utterly phenomenal, and it actually saddens me that she's not in things consistently and you don't really see her in anything. And he is just as good, but she is, for me, she is next level. She is unbelievably talented and amazing, and the storylines and the writing of this are just perfection. And seeing this idea John had of how he wanted to be happy with Erin, and we saw flashes of what this woman had done to him, this random old lady that's now here, and we learned that she was on an escape pod from the command ship, but she stuck around. And seeing how she was using these herbs to make John see these images of a possible future with Aaron and his friends on Earth. And my favourite thing about that was seeing Pilot at the wedding. That was phenomenal. That was great. I loved that. But then seeing he was scared because he had all of these friends, and he had the opportunity to go home, but it meant leaving his friends. But he decided to stay with his friends, and then his friends were leaving. And then the tension between Aaron and John, that little two-hander toward the end between those two was just, they are literally exquisite, and they bounce off each other. And I have never seen anything like it. That's possibly one of my favourite scenes I've seen so far of this entire run, was that scene where he said, "Do you love John Crichton?" And she said, "Do you love Aaron's son?" Unbelievable. And then leaving that to fate, and then Aaron leaving, and then John possibly leaving as well because Aaron was leaving, only for it to become apparent that Aaron's pregnant. The old woman knows. How the hell does she know that she's pregnant? Like, where did she get the inside scoop? For John then to decide he wants to go back to Moya, for Moya to then get sucked through a wormhole. What is going on? Like, the fact that they ended a season on a cliffhanger, this show is amazing. It's genuinely become one of my favourite ever shows that I've ever watched. I never thought that would be the case, but unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. I might just go start season 4 and I will see you guys later, so thank you.